Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So I believe that people give up way too quickly. Okay? So, good example. Um, when a child wants something, they are going to ask until they get it. Can I go play PlayStation? Can I go play PlayStation? Can I go play Xbox? Can I go do this? Can I go do this? Can I go do this? And the parents say, that child is just being annoying, or they're just constantly bothering me, or they're just constantly, and they view it as a bad thing. Because in their own life and, growing up, they've been taught that asking for what you want and annoying people until you get what you want is considered a bad thing. I don't know. What's worse than not getting what you want? Not much. So that's why you have to become a person that is constantly never giving up. It's the same thing with life. If you keep banging at life, asking life, hey, life, give me this. Hey, life, I need my business to grow. 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 Life is going to get annoyed with you and it's going to start giving you more of what you want. But if you give up really quickly, like, a lot of people do in their personal life, it's going to cause you to have the same tactics and behaviors in your business. And that's why a lot of people do not make it. Okay? Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to go reach success faster, go join my group. There's a link in the description below. Have a great day. See you soon. Talk to you later.